Congratulations for finishing previous section. In this section, I want to talk about forms. In this lecture, I want to talk about form elements. Okay, a new file, save as, create new folder, form element.html. Close this one and open this one. HTML okay, form element. The first element is select tag. For example, I want H2. What is your favorite car? Then create a form and form tag and use select. And set name for select to be cars. Close the tag, and now I want set options. Option and set value. We set value to define the options. BMW. And another option value Volvo and another one is the value is Audi. The option element defines the options to select, and we set value to define the options and which one that I choose it. Okay, save it and refresh. Save, refresh. We can choose Volvo, Audi, BMW. If I the BMW is default, I want set Audi default options and set selected for Audi options, and if I refresh, Audi is default. I want set a button. Use BR for break line and set input type and submit for create a submit button. Save, refresh. There you go. If I click submit, cars equal Audi. The name is cars and I select Audi. I can set text area H3, your message, and then set text area, set name, message, and close the text area. Save, refresh, set a break line, okay, your message, and you can type your message here. I create another form, and now I want to create a button. Use button and set type to button and click me. Save, refresh. There you go. Set BR. There you go. Click me. For submitting a form, we use input type submit. But when I want set a button that is clickable and do other action, we use button. For example, if we want to create a contact form, we use input type submit. And but if I want, for example, create a page that create a button, and if I click on button, go to the another page, we use button because it's clickable. Then be careful to use input and button. For submitting a form, use input. For create a button that is clickable and do other action, use button tag. Okay, I said HR is better because I want another form. Now I want to talk about data list. This tag added in HTML5. The data list element specifies a list of predefined options for an input element. Users will see a drop-down list of predefined options as the input data. For example, I said input list browsers and set name browser. Then use data list and set ID. The ID should be same as list. browsers and close the tag here. Now set option value Internet Explorer, another one, option value Firefox, option value Chrome. Save and refresh. If I click here, I see a drop down box. Then the data list element specify a list of predefined option for an element. Is predefined option. For example, if I choose Firefox, the other option don't show me the other options. I should delete it and show me other options. Okay. HR another tag is keygen element. This tag added in HTML5. The purpose of the keygen element is to provide a secure way to authenticate users, and the keygen element specifies a key pair generator field in a form. I create another form and set username, input type text, and set name user. Encryption, set keygen, name, security, and set input type submit. Save, refresh. You see encryption, high grade and medium grade. When the form is submitted, two keys are generated, one private and the other one is public. The private key is stored locally and the public key is sent to the server. The public key could be used to generate a client certificate to authenticate the user in the future. Okay, for encryption we use keygen, and when we submit the form, generate two keys, public key and private key. Public key send to the server, and the private key stored locally. Fantastic. Please practice on form elements. I will see you in next lecture.